Hello and welcome everyone to this lesson where we will be creating this beautiful phone device mockup slide layout. So let's jump to our class project. Let me insert a fresh blank new slide from the layout menu. Let's choose title center top slide layout. That's awesome. Now let's just type in some text for our title and subtitle. Alright, now let me copy a couple of text boxes with icons from our previous slide, just to save some time. Let's paste them in. Let's turn on the guides so that we can see where to position these text boxes. Let's make a couple of copies. Let's make sure we change the alignment of text for these guys on the left side. Alright, so now for the phone, let me show you where we can find this beautiful picture. Just go to pngwing.com, search for iPhone Mockup, and you should be able to find this picture. Alright, so let me insert it into this slide. Let me find that phone. Here it is. Okay, let's resize it. Let's make sure it's in the center of the slice, in the center of the slide. Okay, now let's copy this phone, and now let's just go to Slide Master View. Okay, so now we're currently on this title center layout. Let's make a duplicate of it. And here, let's paste this phone. And now we can insert a rounded rectangle. Let's make sure that we cover the whole screen of the phone. You can use this yellow handle to adjust the roundness of the corners. That's awesome. Now we can delete the phone and insert image placeholder, which covers this whole rectangle. Let's send it to back, hold down the shift key, select the rectangle, and let's choose intersect. And this way we have created this custom image placeholder for our phone. Okay, so now we can rename this slide layout. Let's just call it phone. Wonderful. Let's get back to normal view and let's choose this layout that we have just created. Alright, and now let's insert a picture. Let's make sure that we send this phone frame to back so that we can click on the image placeholder. Alright, now let's send this photo to back so that we can see the iPhone frame on top. That's beautiful. Alright, now let's do the animations. So currently, we have only these two text boxes on the right side animated. So let me just grab this animation with the Animation Painter tool and let's paste this animation to the rest of the objects. And this time, let's make sure that the direction of this animation is from top to all of these shapes, just like that. As you can see, the photo frame is animated, but the image in the background is not, so let me just fix that. Alright. And now we should see a beautiful animated device mockup. So ladies and gentlemen, now you know how you can create a custom device mockup slide. And in the next lesson, we'll be creating the Contact Us slide layout. I'll see you there.